Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. Negative 5 times x minus 3 equals 2 times x minus 10. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. Use the same operation on both sides to keep the equation equal. Subtract 2 times x from both sides to collect the variable terms on the left. That gives negative 7 times x minus 3 equals negative 10. Add 3 to both sides so the variable term stands alone. That gives negative 7 times x equals negative 7. The variable coefficient is negative 7. Divide both sides by negative 7 to leave the variable alone. Quick check, substitute 1 for x. Both sides equal negative 8, so the equation balances. So, x equals 1.